Hi, I'm going to build this Axial Capra crawler kit. This comes in a box with all the parts in it, and you have to build it up yourself. The Capra comes with strong stainless steel links, a small skid plate footprint to help maneuver over rough terrain, really nice large bore aluminum shocks. It comes with tires as well as beadlock wheels, an all-metal transmission, portal axles for high clearance. Metal gears are used throughout the whole kit, making this a very strong and durable crawler. Now this kit does not come with any electronics whatsoever. Since this is my very first step into the RC world, I have no spare parts to go with, and will need to get all the parts. For the ESC, I decided to go with the brushed Quick Run 1080. This is a very popular and very configurable ESC. It comes with its own programmer included in the box. You can adjust 15 different options within this ESC. For the motor, I decided to go with this Reedy brushed 16-turn 5-slot motor from Team Associated. For the steering servo, I decided to go with this budget Animos 35 kg 7.4 volt stainless steel gear high torque servo. I will also be getting this metal servo horn. For the battery, I decided to go with this budget HRB 2-piece 3-cell 11.1 volt 1500 milliamp hour 100C LiPo battery. For the charger, I decided to go with this very simple Turnigy E3 compact LiPo charger. For safety, I'll also be getting this fireproof LiPo bag. For the radio, I'll be going with the FlySky FS GT5 6-channel radio. I'll also be buying a LiPo battery for it. It fits right inside the battery compartment of the radio. I will also be getting this extra parts kit, and it should provide me with everything I need to solder everything together. Well, that's it. Since I'm new to this, I would appreciate any comments or warnings about any of these components. Please comment below and let me know what you guys think. I put the links to all of these items in the description of this video. And please subscribe to not miss this build coming in the near future.